Hey guys, further we'll be making this beautiful hairstyle. For this, first we will tie the ponytail on the sides, then dividing the hairs into small sections, we will put it on the side like this. Then we will fix the hair and roll it upward in a bow-like shape and fix it using a rubber band and it's ready. Or you can make the plaits on the side like this, roll it to make a bun and fix it and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail on the back using this rubber band, fix it. After that, take few small section of the hairs, make the plaits. Now we will take the hairs from the back and tie it in the front one by one like this. Follow the same step till the end. Then at the end, we will tie the hairs using the rubber bands all together and give it a heart shape in the end like this and fix it. And your beautiful hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the ponytails on the sides, then divide your hairs into 3 sections like this. Then we will join them one by one as shown in the video, tie them and then fix them on the top, make the plaits and roll the hairs to make a bun and fix it and it's ready. Next, we will tie the plaits on the back like this. Divide your hairs into 2 sections. Then we will take small section of the hairs from the back, tie them and then rotate the hairs. Now fix the plaits into the hairs as shown in the video. Put a clip and your beautiful hairstyle is ready. Further, we will tie the hairs like this. Then we will tie the hairs and rotate it using this hairstyling tool. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Tie them on the back together. Rotate the hairs, divide it into 2 sections. Make the plaits like this. Make the plaits of the rest of the hairs and fold it upward and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie half of the hairs at the back, divide them into 2 sections and make the plaits. Fix them on the top using the rubber band, roll the hairs upward and make a bow-like shape. Now fix the bun pin on the hairs like this. Divide your hairs into 2 sections, make the plaits and it's ready. Next, we will put this beautiful hair accessory on the hairs and fix the ribbon on the hair by making the plaits. Now take all the hairs together and make the plaits to fix the ribbon and the hairs together. After we are done with the plaits, we will fold the ribbon upward and make a bow-like shape and fix it on the hair like this and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take this beautiful hair accessory and fix it on the hair by making the plaits like this. Now take another section of the hairs and make the plaits on it again and again like this. After you are completed with these plaits, we will take another section of the hairs and put it on the top by making the plaits like this. And your beautiful hairstyle will be ready at the end and it will look very beautiful. I hope you liked it. Follow the same step for the other side as well and your hairstyle will be done. Thanks for watching. Bye.